In this lesson, I'm going to show you the types of equipment that we use for the preparation of all types of fish. We have the long, thin, flexible bladed knife. As you can see, I find the flexible blade is far easier for myself. A shorter version, which is more like a boning knife, but is still flexible. These we use for pulling bones out of the fish. Got two types. These are for the bigger bones, and these are for fine bones. Both of these are actually blood vessel clamps, but we use them because they perform the job perfectly well. We've got two types of fish scaler. This is the type we favour. Holds in the hand nicely, jagged edge, pulls off the scales. This has got a more rounded handle and is more comfortable for some people to hold. Round edge does the same job, just a shorter blade, so it takes longer. And this is a sharpening steel to keep a nice edge on your knife. If you don't have all of this equipment in your house, we would recommend at a minimum you have the two knives and a pair of tweezers if you definitely do not like bones. If you don't mind eating round bones, the tweezers aren't necessary either. Fish scalers can be bought at a very reasonable cost, although if you don't wish to purchase one, you can use a knife. You just have to be a bit more careful how you use it, otherwise you're likely to cut into the fish. Sharpening your knives is important. So we use a steel, but if you're not comfortable to use a handheld steel, there are other preset versions available, such as this, where you just draw your knife through and the angle is preset to keep the edge on your knife.